In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Doc fit on one page. This can be really helpful when you want a clean and concise document without any page breaks or unnecessary empty spaces. Let's walk through how to achieve this using a few easy steps. First, let's get started by opening your Google Doc. If you don't have a document ready, you can easily create a new one by going to your Google Drive, clicking on the New button in the top left corner, and selecting Google Docs from the drop-down menu. Once your Google Doc is open and you've entered your text, we'll want to focus on adjusting the page layout to suit your needs. Next, we're going to head to the File menu, located at the very top of your Google Doc. Click on it to open a drop-down list, and from there, select Page Setup. This window will provide you with a few options to tweak the layout of your document. Now, take a look at the Margins section. By default, the margins might be set to 1 inch. This is great for some cases, but if you're trying to fit everything onto one page, you may want to reduce the margins. A good starting point is setting them to 0.5 inches, giving you more space on the page. Simply type 0.5 into each of the margin fields: top, bottom, left, and right. After you've adjusted the margins, it's time to consider the dimensions of the page. Under Page Setup, you'll also see options to change the paper size. If you're working with a standard letter size, which is 8.5 by 11 inches, this often works perfectly. However, if you're still having trouble fitting all of your text onto one page, consider choosing a slightly larger paper size, like A4. Just remember to keep in mind who your audience is and whether this format is easily print-friendly for them. Now, onto another important feature: font size and type. The font you use can greatly affect how much content you can fit onto a page. If you aren't already, using a condensed font style like Arial Narrow might free up some space. Also, reducing the font size slightly, maybe from 12 to 11, can make a significant difference without compromising too much on readability. Finally, click OK to apply all these changes. Take a quick scroll through your document to see if everything fits neatly onto a single page. If not, you may need to make additional edits by perhaps removing some unnecessary content or formatting your text further. Remember, it's a good practice after adjusting everything to proofread your document for any layout issues or inconsistencies that might have occurred through the changes. And there you have it, a Google Doc neatly confined to a single page. Use these tips to streamline your documents, ensuring they are polished and professional every time you share them. Thanks for watching.